The 2026 BMW M9 doesn't feel like a normal performance car the moment you first see it. It feels like BMW decided to remove every limit and build something that sits between a luxury Grand Tourer and a futuristic super. Even standing still, the car has a level of presence that instantly grabs attention. Low stance, wide body, aggressive proportions, and sharp aerodynamic details make it look more like a concept car than something designed for public roads. The front design is the first thing that dominates your attention. BMW has pushed the aggression much further this time. The signature kidney grille is wider and sharper, but now it feels more integrated into the overall body shape instead of looking separate. Slim laser LED headlights stretch deeply into the front fenders, giving the car a focused and intimidating face. The front bumper is loaded with large air intakes, carbon fiber accents, and aerodynamic vents that not only improve cooling, but also make the car look incredibly powerful. N from the side profile. The M9 looks long, muscular, and extremely expensive. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear like a luxury coupe, but the widened fenders and massive wheels remind you this is still an M performance machine underneath. Large black alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, while low-profile performance tires give the car a planted stance, and side skirts are sculpted aggressively, and carbon fiber trim pieces add to the supercar feeling. Even the mirrors look aerodynamic and performance-focused. Every line on the car seems designed to guide airflow efficiently. When you move toward the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back with a futuristic lighting signature. The rear diffuser is huge, surrounded by quad exhaust pipes that instantly remind you this is not a normal luxury coupe. There is also an active rear spoiler system that automatically adjusts at higher speeds for added stability. Now, once you step inside the 2026 BMW M9, the entire atmosphere changes from aggressive to ultra-premium. The cabin feels futuristic, luxurious, and performance-oriented at the same time. First thing you notice is the massive curved digital display stretching across the dashboard. BMW has integrated the infotainment system and digital instrument cluster into one seamless glass panel. The graphics are incredibly sharp, and everything feels modern without becoming overly complicated. Steering wheel has a thick M performance design wrapped in premium leather and carbon fiber accents. Paddle shifters sit behind it, giving the driver quick access to manual gear changes. Seats are deeply bolstered sport seats, designed to hold the driver firmly during aggressive driving, but they are still comfortable enough for long-distance cruising. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim are everywhere inside the cabin, creating an environment that feels both sporty and luxurious, giving the interior a futuristic nighttime atmosphere. The center console is clean and modern with touch-sensitive controls, crystal-inspired accents, and wireless charging features. Rear seat space is surprisingly usable for a high-performance coupe. BMW clearly wanted the M9 to feel like a grand touring machine as well, not just a track-focused weapon. Now the real heart of the 2026 BMW M9 is its engine. BMW is expected to use an advanced twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Combined with hybrid performance technology, this setup could easily produce more than 750 horsepower, placing the M9 directly into supercar territory. The acceleration would be absolutely brutal. Moment you press the throttle, the car launches forward with instant torque from the hybrid system, while the twin-turbo V8 delivers deep, aggressive power higher in the rev range. On BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system would likely help manage all that power efficiently, allowing the M9 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The impressive part is not just straight-line speed. It's the way the car combines insane performance with luxury refinement. Normal driving modes, the M9 would feel smooth, quiet, and comfortable enough for everyday use. The suspension softens, the steering becomes lighter, and the exhaust remains controlled. The second you switch into sport or track mode, the entire personality changes. The suspension. stiffens. N. Unthrottle response sharpens. Exhaust becomes louder and more aggressive. N. Suddenly, the car transforms into a full performance machine. Steering is expected to feel precise and direct, giving the driver strong confidence at higher speeds. Rear-wheel steering technology would likely improve agility in corners, while maintaining stability during highway driving. Suspension system would probably use adaptive dampers, capable of constantly adjusting depending on road conditions and driving style. This allows the M9 to remain comfortable during long drives, while still delivering excellent cornering performance. N. Unbraking performance would also need to match the extreme power levels. Large carbon ceramic brakes are expected, giving the car incredible stopping power and heat resistance during aggressive driving. N. Technology inside the M9 would go far beyond basic luxury features. N. Advanced driver assistance systems, AI, enhanced driving modes, augmented reality navigation, voice-controlled functions, and fully connected smartphone integration would all likely be included. N. BMW is also expected to include semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising, allowing the car to handle certain driving tasks while still keeping the driver engaged. N. Sound system would likely come from a premium brand such as Bowers & Wilkins, delivering an immersive audio experience throughout the cabin. N. Despite all the technology, BMW would still try to preserve the emotional side of driving because that is what M cars are really about. N emotion, N connection, N performance, N when you take the M9 onto an open highway. This is where the grand touring personality becomes clear. The cabin remains calm and refined while the engine still has endless power. Available at any moment, and long-distance driving would feel effortless. The seats support you perfectly. The suspension absorbs imperfections smoothly, and the car feels stable even at very high speeds. NBUT. When the road becomes twisty, the M9 reveals its aggressive side. Despite its size and luxury focus, modern chassis technology and intelligent all-wheel drive systems would help the car stay surprisingly agile. Uncompared to other luxury performance coupes, the BMW M9 would likely position itself as a balance between supercar aggression and grand touring comfort. NIT would compete with cars like high-end Mercedes-AMG models, Audi RS performance cars, and even some exotic luxury coupes. NBUT, the M9 would still carry a very distinct BMW personality. Handling, powerful engine response, driver-focused, cockpit, and a balance between luxury and performance that very few brands manage successfully. Now, when it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW M9 would almost certainly sit in the ultra-premium performance category. Expected pricing could start around $150,000 and climb much higher depending on options and hybrid performance packages. NAND. Honestly, when you look at the level of engineering, technology, luxury, and performance this car offers, it makes sense. The 2026 BMW M9 is not designed for ordinary buyers. NIT is designed for people who want supercar performance without sacrificing comfort and luxury. People who want a car that feels aggressive when pushed hard, but still refined enough for everyday driving. NAT, the end of the day. The 2026 BMW M9 feels like BMW, imagining the future of high-performance luxury. NITs, powerful NITs, futuristic, NITs, luxurious, and most importantly, it still feels emotionally connected to the driver. If BMW actually delivers this machine with everything enthusiasts are hoping for, the M9 could easily become one of the most exciting luxury performance cars of the modern era.